Welcome to the Shortwave Radio channel. And well, this weekend we talked about, somebody talked about, what good AM/FM portable radio could he find? While going on Amazon, I was curious about this, which is Panasonic. So it's branded Panasonic. After verifications that I did, it seems that it's still being produced by Panasonic. And it's an AM/FM portable radio. It's the RF-P50D, and came out with taxes and everything to about 30-ish Canadian dollars, which I guess would be like 20-ish American dollars. Like I said, what really caught my eye is the brand. I always enjoyed and loved Panasonic, and I wonder if this could live up to being decent as a portable radio. And of course, I'm going to test it tonight. I'm going to see some videos, and we're going to actually tune around the medium wave band to see if at night it can actually deliver a little bit of radio fun. So this is the unboxing. As you see here, it's not open. It's still fresh. It's been delivered not even 5 minutes ago. So let me just take a little something here to open the package so that we can see what's in here. Here we go. So take this out. There we go. Package is nice. It's representative for me of really what Panasonic is. Quality. The package is quality. So this is definitely nice. So here we go. Opens on the side. And we'll take this out. Little Panasonic radio. Little manual. And we have little earbuds that come with it. So if you want to check it out. So here it is. Quite light, not surprising. It's a little bulky when you look at it, but it does have a standard earphone jack. On-off switch is on the side here. Tuning is here. So this is kind of interesting. And FM and AM switch is here. So this is definitely interesting. Little antenna is on the side. So this is not necessarily, well, it's okay if it's standing up, but this is kind of cool. So here we go. This takes 2 batteries, which are, I guess, AA batteries. So we're going to actually fetch AA batteries here, because I have some real close. There we go. So we're going to check that out. Sorry guys, just kick the stand. And we're going to see, first of all, if it works. Of course, first, so using Amazon Basics alkalines, and also at the same time it gave me a little bit of a test of how it works. So here we go, 1 battery, 2 batteries. Kind of in a very unique way of being here. There we go. And let's turn this on. That's medium wave. Seems to be DSP based. Now dear, there's a lot of interference with the laptop right next to it. And let's check out if I switch to FM.
People there were reflecting on Carter's time in office. And
this is already a good indication here.
Georgia Public Broadcasting's grant
WVPS out of Burlington, Vermont. On these cheap radios, it rarely comes in. And look how well I'm receiving it.
Carter's alma mater.
Today, the old auditorium.
So this is going to be an interesting radio to test out.
As it has been for over.
Os vezes chegam assim, nós somos os valentões.
Suis 65% réussissent.
Ouais. Par ailleurs, il y a un intérêt. Oh, bye bye.
With perceived norms about masculine attributes, attitudes, and behavior. Alright, now, so if we look at...
That looks like CKUT.
How are people reacting now that the day has finally come?
Well, there is a lot of excitement. The chief obviously was...
Tuning light when you're tuning, so kind of interesting. I would say with just turning it on here, looks promising. Looks promising, and has the Panasonic info on the back. So Panasonic Corporation. It's made in Indonesia, so this is not made in China. That's interesting also. And antenna screw. That's interesting. So this is kind of interesting. Definitely going to be interesting to play with tonight. I'll be doing a full band scan of AM and FM, and of course give my thoughts. The only problem I would see for somebody who wants a small radio is maybe it's a little fat, it's a little bulky, but still, it fits in a shirt pocket and looks decent, honestly. So more videos to come of the Panasonic RF-P50D AM FM portable radio. Made in Indonesia, not China. It does seem to be DSP based from the tuning, but we'll see. Like I said, looks promising from the start. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.